Grandma Cat was busy washing clothes in the washing machine. The machine's rumbling sound filled the room, and she could also see things, though her vision was slightly blurry. The kitten was happily playing in the area where Grandma Cat was busy washing clothes. Being very naughty, couldn't resist his curiosity.
Oh my God, what's happening in there? What's going on inside?
He stood there, fascinated, watching the clothes spinning around inside the washing machine. The kitten, being his usual mischievous self, decided to climb inside the washing machine, thinking it would be fun. Grandma was listening to a song on her headphones, completely unaware that the naughty kitten had climbed into the washing machine. Without noticing, she started the washing machine, putting the kitten in danger. As the washing machine started spinning faster with its load, the kitten, trapped inside, became terrified. It was stuck, unable to get out, and began crying loudly in fear. Grandma was busy working and enjoying her music when, all of a sudden, she was startled by the sound of screaming and shouting coming from nearby. Grandma, in tears, quickly opened the washing machine door, only to find the kitten completely drenched and its fur a different color. The poor kitten was trembling and vomiting, overwhelmed by the ordeal. Terrified by the kitten's condition, Grandma immediately grabbed her phone and called for an ambulance, pleading for urgent help. The kitten was in terrible condition, trembling and continuously vomiting, unable to recover from the trauma. Grandma, deeply upset and worried, rushed to the hospital as fast as she could, desperate to get help for the kitten. Tragically, the kitten couldn't survive due to the excessive soap in its body, and it passed away.
I'm so sorry to inform you, but the kitten didn't make it. The excessive amount of soap caused severe internal damage, and we couldn't save him despite our best efforts.
No, this can't be true. It's all my fault. If only I'd been more careful, my poor kitten would still be alive.
Grandma Cat, overwhelmed with grief, went into shock and collapsed unconscious.
Goodbye, Papa. I'm going to school. See you later.
Goodbye, son. Be careful on your way.
Okay, Papa, bye-bye.
The kitten was very poor and was going to school for the first time, but everyone teased him because he was poor.
Hey guys, look! A poor kid has come here to study. This is a school for rich kids. Poor children don't belong here.
Because I'm poor, nobody wants to be friends with me.
Look everyone, he's eating free food. Ha 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 ha. Look everyone, there's a poor child in our school with torn clothes and he's here to study.
Many hours later.
All right, children, hurry up and get ready. You have a test today. Quickly, everyone, start writing your answers on the test sheet now.
Hello, madam. I finished writing my test paper. Here you go, madam. Please check my test paper.
Oh my God, You finished your test so quickly. Let me check it. Oh my God, you're very smart at your studies. Everyone, please give a big round of applause for the new student.
Thank you so much, madam. I always work very hard.
But the black cat didn't like this at all, so she decided to take revenge. The kitten was very happy and headed to the toilet, unaware that the black cat had set another trap there. The black cat had emptied a whole bottle of chemicals into the toilet. The kitten was quietly using the toilet when, out of nowhere, a monster appeared. Terrified, the kitten screamed and ran away in panic.
Oh my God, what's happening to me? I've made a terrible mistake.
Hello, Papa. Please help me. I'm stuck in the school toilet with a monster. Please come quickly and save me.
Oh my God, this monster is huge. It's so scary. Kitten, where are you? I'm here to help you.
Papa, I'm so grateful you came to save me.
The kitten was caught in the middle of the monster's path, but his strong and courageous dad didn't hesitate and went into the school to save him.
You have committed a serious crime, and now you are under arrest.
We put a lot of effort into making these videos. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Wishing you all the best.